In this installation, we'll be using the new Redline Quick Connect expansion adapter harness for F150 models. First, we will open up the tailgate and locate the two bolts that we need to take out. We will be using a 5/16 ratchet in order to unscrew the bolts, doing the same thing on both sides. Next, we will pull out the driver's side and passenger side taillight. Disconnect the 6-pin connection from it. We will be connecting the right side of the Quick Connect expansion harness into the original 6-pin connection and connecting the other end into the tail light, locking into place with the red tab. Then placing the tail light back onto the truck. Next up, we will use the adhesive promoter to clean the surface where the bar will stick on. Afterwards, we'll be placing the light bar in the desired location, pushing all across to have it fully stick on to the surface. Then we will connect the 4-pin connection from the light bar to the Redline Quick Connect expansion adapter harness to tap into the white wires and having them connected. Afterwards, we will secure the wires onto the frame of the truck. Here is a demonstration of all the light bar functions with the new Redline Quick Connect expansion adapter harness. Hope this video was very informative for you guys. We will see you guys next time.